This first statistics video is on the mean and the range. So mean is average and range is the difference between the highest and lowest numbers. So our example, we've got 10 people were asked how long they had waited in a queue to get into an exhibition. The time in minutes was recorded and the results are shown below. So we've got 14, 23, 21, 15, 12, 22, 26, 22, 17 and 16. So that's 10 different times. And we want to calculate the mean time taken. So we know that mean is the total of all the data in the set divided by the number of values in the set. And at Nat5, we're going to use this X bar symbol to represent the mean. And so the mean is total divided by number of values. So if we add all those numbers together, we're going to get a total of 188. And the number of numbers that are there are 10. And so 188 divided by 10 is giving us a mean time of 18.8, and that's in minutes. Now the range, we need to find the highest and the lowest numbers. So the highest number on that list is 26. The lowest number on the list is 12. So we're going to work out the difference between those numbers because we know that range equals high take away low. And the highest number is 26, the lowest number is 12, and so our range is going to be 14. Now, the manager thought that these times were too long and introduced measures to cut the waiting times. After this happened, the mean waiting time was 15 minutes and the range was 10. So write 2 comments comparing the results before and after these measures were introduced. So from part A, the mean is 18.8 minutes and the range was 14 minutes. So to compare the means, they're the average times. So that's the key word that we want to use. So we're going to say that after the manager introduced measures, the average waiting time decreased. So instead of using mean, we're using average to demonstrate that we understand what the mean is. And the spread between the waiting times was less. So range is a measure of spread. And so to demonstrate that we understand what range is and why we're calculating it, we're going to use the word spread in our answer.